Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Discord server of Steal a Brainrot. So you want to log into your Roblox account and simply use the search at the top to type in Steal, and you will eventually see Steal a Brainrot in experience appear. Click on that second option in the list right there, and here you will see the results of Steal a Brainrot. So you can go ahead and click on this one right here on the left hand side, and you'll be seeing the full Steal a Brainrot right here. So scroll down on this page, guys, until you find the social links, and here you'll find their Discord link to their community. So click on that. It's going to open up the Discord for them, and as you can see here, it's going to ask you to accept the invite. Keep in mind that you want to ensure that you are currently using the browser where you have, for example, your Discord sign in, or you'll be triggered to sign in with your Discord. Now, in my case, I'm currently signing Discord in the same account here, so I'm just going to click on accept invite, and it's going to quickly give me the option to open up the Discord application, or if you're using the web, it will also go ahead and ask you to quickly open that as well. You can do anyone, as you can see right here. Right now, it's currently installing updates for me. It says I have 1 of 15, but in that case, I can just simply choose continue to Discord, and it's going to open up in the browser anyway. So by default, it's going to trigger to open up the app for you, but you can just simply continue, and it's going to load right into the web browser option as well. Now, once you sign in, you'll be asked to quickly verify. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.